only brown bread sandwiches are healthy and white bread is completely unhealthy. That's not the case. Cookie dough donut. So the total meal comes down to around 1000 calories. So guys, today we are at Super Donuts for a pre-workout meal, as you can see. So we have taken a chicken tikka sandwich. This sandwich is made out of brown bread, but do not assume if it's brown bread, it's completely whole wheat. But it doesn't matter actually. If your sandwich is full of veggies and chicken and cheese, the glycemic load of the meal goes down. So if you're thinking only brown bread sandwiches are healthy and white bread is completely unhealthy, that's not the case. What matters is what you're putting inside. So even if this contains some white flour or maida, it doesn't matter a lot. And what you have to be careful is that you do not have to consume such greasy dips along with this. Okay, so go for ketchup. Obviously this is also like 20 calories or 15 calories per sachet, because this entire dip, just this small portion, will be around 100 to 150 calories easily. So just think like one or two pieces of sandwich, or just one portion of dip, not two pieces but 1.5 piece, you can say. So this, coming to this sandwich, we have chicken, cheese, capsicum and some other vegetables as well, tomato, onion. So this is quite filling. It has 4 pieces. So yes, definitely a good choice pre-workout. And of course some coffee for the caffeine. But here is the main thing. This is a cookie dough donut. Now it's not filled, so one would think that non-filled donut contains less calories than filled donuts. Yes, that's true, but you have to account for the amount of topping it has. You can see so many biscuit or cookie pieces drizzled with caramel sauce, so calories come from that as well. So such kind of non-filled donuts which are topped with a lot of toppings, they contain the same calories. This will be around 300 to 350 calories for one donut. So this entire meal, 4 pieces of sandwich, will be around 600 to 700 calories. And this coffee, because it does not contain any sugar, we are going to add sugar free instead of regular sugar. Will be 101 or 120 calories at max, depending on the type of milk used, full fat, whole milk or fat free. And this donut is again 300 calories. So the total meal comes down to around 1000 calories for the entire thing. So if you have a half of it, you can get around 20 to 25 grams of protein and 500 calories, which is decent if you're trying to build muscle, but obviously not if you're trying to lose fat. So if you're trying to lose fat, remove this, go for black coffee or regular coffee without sugar, and this sandwich is all right. The interiors of this place are beautiful. As per our information, there's only one outlet of Super Donuts currently in Delhi, which is in Lajpat Nagar. This video is not a paid promotion or a sponsored video. So if you're trying to cut down on calories and carb intake while having the sandwich, here's a pro tip. You can cut down on the sides. Each side is around 25 to 30 calories. So 4 sides of the sandwich, you can save around 100 calories easily, and just concentrate on the filling. So guys, if you like the video, please do not forget to give it a like and comment down which place you want us to cover in this series next. Share this video with your friends who are into fitness and love food as well, and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Thanks for watching.